Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete your Roblox account. So if you no longer want to use your Roblox account and you're looking for a way to remove it, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open Roblox in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. Now, there's something important you should know. Roblox doesn't give you a direct option in the settings to permanently delete your account. Instead, you need to contact Roblox Support and submit a request to have your account deleted. To get started, click the gear icon at the top right corner, then select Help and Safety. On the next page, choose Help Center. Once you're on the Roblox Help page, find the search bar and type Delete. In the results, look for How do I deactivate or delete my account and select it. Now, look for the Account Deletion section and then select Support Form. This will open the Roblox support form where you can submit your deletion request. Now you'll need to fill out the support form. Enter your Roblox username and your first name, then enter the email address connected to your account. Re-enter the same email address in the Confirm Email Address box. Next, open the Device Type menu and select the device you normally use to play Roblox. Then open Type of Help Category drop-down menu and choose I want to delete my account. Then open Help Subcategory Type and confirm that you want to delete your account. After that, go to the message box and explain that you want your account permanently deleted. You can simply type something like, "Please delete my Roblox account." Once everything is filled out, double-check your information and then click Continue. Before Roblox submits your request, you may be asked to complete a quick puzzle or verification. Complete the verification, and once you see Request Received, that means your support request has been successfully submitted. Now all you need to do is wait for Roblox Support to review your request. Keep checking the email address you provided because Roblox may contact you there. Depending on your situation, Roblox may confirm that your account has been deleted, or they may ask you for some additional information before they can complete the deletion. And that's it. That's how you can request to permanently delete your Roblox account through Roblox Support. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips and tutorials.